Hello everybody, Chad from Colorado Giants. Today is Wednesday, May 6th. We're going to call it. Winter is starting to wrap up and spring is getting ready to be sprung, so I figured I would start up with the videos again, showing you what seeds I'm going to be growing this year. We're going to start with a 2043.5 Clements. It's a 2145 cross with a 1947.5. That one did very well for me, and this one does well for everybody. So I'm thinking this will be a good seed. The 1718 is a Clements cross as well. The 1317 cross with a 2230. I mean, and look at that pumpkin. It looks amazing. So hopefully that'll be a nice one. The 1937 Urana. That's a great seed, great cross. And the 2000 Pingree. Another one. So a lot of Wallace and Clements genetics in here, as well as the McMullins. So we'll cruise over here. Got this in the mail the other day. Going to be using some garlic barrier this year. Going to try and stay away from the chemicals as much as possible. And some crab shell. And then the tomato and veg formula of Neptune's Harvest. Just so you can see, this is a 5-gallon bucket of awesome smelly goodness as far as gardening is concerned. So let's go on outside and show you guys kind of what I've been up to out here. So it's been pretty cold, it's been pretty windy. Haven't done a whole heck of a lot. Have been definitely enjoying the winter. Just kind of being off. Not so much enjoying winter, that would be kind of a lie. But enjoying the downtime and the relaxing. Winter's rough. So here's the patch. Not a whole heck of a lot has been done. I tried to get in a cover crop. That didn't really work out. I'm starting to amass some of my amendments. I'm going to be adding a lot of peat moss and perlite in this section. This is the expansion that I did last year, you know, from about like here over. And then a big thing that I'll be working on, you can see that string I've pulled. That's going to be a level for a larger structure that I'm going to build. Hopefully something a little bit more permanent, something a little more stable that won't require me to replace it every single year, and if we get a little weather, that won't come crashing down and kill everything. The garden is doing well. It's been super windy here in Denver, and we have this got blown off the other day. It's pretty crazy how windy it was. We haven't started a lot of stuff in the garden. In fact, all I've really started is the garlic. But we got 6 types of garlic, and as I look at it now, almost every single one is sprouting, with exception of these hardneck flavors down here. So from basically here over is hardneck, from here up is softneck, and then each row is a different type. So most of those are going. Dogs are goofing around back there. This here is just a temporary fence. Once we get the whole garden kind of prepared this spring, we will make a more permanent fence. And then I think, I don't remember for sure though, if I told you guys about the new shed. So we got a new shed that I'm currently working on organizing, sorry about the mess, for all of the amendments and everything. So I've got all of my Microbe Life, my Mammoth, my Marks Mix, New Millennium, all that stuff, as well as all of the soil amending whatnotteries here. So yeah, that's just a quick rundown, a quick update of what's going on here. Shed's gonna get worked on. I'm gonna build some shelves, build a little bench right here, put up some pegboard to hang miscellaneous whatnotteries on. And yeah, we're going to do the long gourds again this year, maybe some other types of gourds. But all in all, got Got a lot of work to do this spring, and I'm looking forward to it. A lot of motivation this year. Last year I did well, but not really good enough. I was kind of discouraged at the end of it, so a little discouragement means a little encouragement for this year. So if you have any questions, if you need some seeds, reach out. Always happy to help. Have a good one. Get out there, grow pumpkin.